Hey everyone. Really quick, I just want to talk to you a little bit about this yard I'm about to show you following this opening. This is called B&R Old Cars in Ogden, Utah. And this is a true old school style salvage yard, wrecking yard. They don't have a working website. They don't do mail orders or anything like that. The only way to get parts that you want is to go to the yard, find what you want, go to the office, negotiate the price, and then go pull it yourself. So basically I'm telling you this so you don't bombard them with phone calls and stuff. They don't have the manpower to pull and ship everything. They are also only open 2 days a week for a couple hours each of those days. So it's kind of a challenge to get stuff just due to the schedule, but they're super cool. They sell whole cars. You know, most of them are already fairly parted out, but there's also some really good projects in there. The whole yard as a running operation is for sale. It's 2.4 acres. There's over 600 cars, and it's, I want to say $860,000, I think is what he told me. So if anybody out there is looking for a cool old salvage yard to just do whatever, this is available. Anyway, I just snapped, or took this video yesterday. I did buy one car. You can see it right here on the rollback. Anyway, check it out. I hope you enjoy. It really is a cool experience to walk through there, just because it's like stepping back into the past. Anyway, thanks for watching. Be sure to hit that like and subscribe button, and enjoy. Thanks. Hey everybody, Jeremy here. Just a question. Have you guys ever just wished you could step back in time? Back when they used to just have all these old cars. They weren't that old then. And go through these wrecking yards and check them out. I know I do. And I really actually enjoy places like this because there's a lot of history. It's just kind of fun to see and just a different time. Anyway, I'm down here. This is a wrecking yard in Ogden, Utah called B&R Old Cars. And I'm actually here looking for some parts, but decided I'd hurry and just show you guys around a little bit, just a little bit of it, because it's kind of cool, because I'm too young to remember actually going to a lot of yards like this, but you see some of the movies where they, old movies where they walk through a wrecking yard and you see the cars stacked and it's all cool muscle car era and classics and everything. And it's really neat to be able to find places that still have cars that are around. I mean, it is sad also because there's a lot of really cool cars here. But the majority of them, when they were brought here, were in that criteria of they were just a car. There was nothing really special about them. And though there are some Chargers and there's two-door Darts and a lot of Chevy and Ford stuff here, I don't believe there's anything of actual real value as far as like high dollar muscle cars here, but there's just a lot of cool stuff. Anyway, just gonna hurry and do a quick walk around here a little bit and just kind of maybe give some of you guys some nostalgia or whatnot, and it's just kind of neat to look at. So enjoy. Well, like I said, there's two-door A bodies and a couple F bodies around. A lot of classics, some Dusters and stuff over here. 71 Satellite has a nice grill too. I've been eyeing that grill for several years actually. So there's imports here, General Motors, Ford. Little project cars here. And the cool thing about this yard is they do actually sell whole cars. So if you see something, I mean, granted, things have been double stacked, but if you see something that you see could be a very good parts car for you, you can actually come down and buy the whole parts car. And they're fairly reasonable priced as well. Pontiac Catalina. Has such interesting lines. A couple Tornados over here. I see this one, he even has it listed, no parts, it's for sale as is the whole car. Tornadoes have always piqued my interest a little. Got Charger, a couple Barracudas, a little notchback. Oh, it's pretty far gone, but a lot of good parts. There's a couple up here that I really wish they weren't so far gone, because I would love to have one. And that's the Javelins right there. Then of course, check that out. You got a little Vanilla Ice right there. All sorts of stuff. Here's the Javelins I'm talking about. There's two of them, but pretty far gone. If anybody has one that they want to donate, haha, let me know. A lot of stuff hidden back in here. And you see, just keep going. The ski rack on that, I guess that's a Buick. There's an Edsel. These grills have always been cool. Another Edsel. 58 Edsels have one of the coolest speedometers. It's a big bubble. Either one of these has it. That one has it, but it's not easy to get to.
Yeah, it does.
Does it? I'll have Alun move the hood maybe, or I'll just stick the camera down in here. Let me pass by it. It's all froze down. Hard to see, but it like kind of looks like a one of those old Boy Scout type compasses, and the speedometer actually turns. Let's see if this one's any easier. Kind of tight. This one's not a 58, so it doesn't have it. But one of these days, I'll go look at a really nice Edsel and show you. Oh, he said he's got into it. So you can see, I actually had like that bulb on the top right there. The speedometer would actually, it would turn inside of it. So pretty cool. Yeah. Always put stuff back in your wrecking yard. That was a Galaxy XL, I believe, up there.
What is this?
This looks like a 58 or so Ford convertible. Hey, look. There's a Lincoln like ours, or a Continental like ours. Like Nixon is what we called ours. I actually need some parts. Wonder if it has them. The interior. Sneaking back. I've never been this far back here at this yard. Now the light car next to it.
I can get that.
Oh, I know you can. I can too. Just don't want to fall because that sucks. It's way rustier than mine. It looks like it's missing the same pieces I need out of mine. That panel. What's left of a two-door Ford wagon. Oh, another train coming past in the back. Sometimes they come ripping through too, like they're flying. Thunderbirds. Couple Corvairs. A Studebaker truck. Just cool. So much cool stuff. Another two-door. Big Cadillac. Look at that. 69 Dodge Coronet 500 deck lid. Well, I hope you enjoyed this short little video. Again, this is B&R Old Cars in Ogden, Utah. So, thanks for watching. Guess what? I forgot, there's still more. Check out this little Karmann Ghia convertible. When was the last time you seen one of those in the yard? Just trying to see. Yeah, it looks like it was actually a legitimate convertible too. So, another Thunderbird up there. And we're gonna go walk around the front and look at some of these other cars. Okay, so here's the front part of the yard. I don't know why I didn't even think about this. That old Dodge tow truck back here. That thing is sweet. One second, I'm checking out the sweet Dodge tow truck you missed. That thing is just so cool. Little snow plow. It's got a big winch. Tow truck here, back up, buddy. I'm doing video. And you just walked right in front. I was trying to get view of it. Sometimes these kids, geez, no consideration. He says maybe you want to see him. Does anybody want to see him? Comment. That is a really cool truck. I like that color and everything. That's an interesting license plate. I've never seen one like that. It's a DSM. Wonder what that means. That is a cool Dodge truck. pretty neat. I think that's a Mercury Monterey. And Alun wanted me to look at this car over here. What car did you want me to look at? Ooh, it's an old GT qualifier. Oh, Sizzler tire. It's kind of fun to watch him get all excited about this old stuff. Oh my goodness. I think I see a car that I might have used to own. Well, first we're gonna look at this sweet Ford Fairlane. And you got a sweet little Dart two-door, white with red. And I'm pretty sure that this 64 Dodge 880 was one that I owned once upon a time. That's, in fact, I'm almost positive with those wheels and everything. That is really kind of cool in a way. I sold it to a kid that was so excited to restore it, and here it is. That's I'm positive. I'm positive that's it. Yeah, I know it is from that dent in the bumper. That is crazy. I thought that car was long gone or restored. Didn't think I'd ever see it again.
Buy it back.
No interest in that one. If it was the 63 880 two-door I had, then I'd have some interest. So
It's sentimental.
it's not sentimental. Ooh, a Nash. Look at that. That would be a cool car. Okay guys, now I think for real, I'm gonna call it and say thank you again for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and have a wonderful day.